Hello friends, welcome to my code guide. Today we will build a medical data validator. Step 1. Define medical records list. Medical records list will contain dictionaries. In the first dictionary we need to add patient ID P1001. Step 3. Add age 34 and gender female. Step 4. Add 3 more key with their values, diagnosis, medications, and last visit ID. On step 5, more objects were added to our medical records list. Here we need to create a function validate that takes one parameter data. In the body of the function we need to define a sequence variable that will check is instance, data, list or tuple. Step 6, create if statement. If is sequence return false, we need to print invalid format, expect a list or tuple, and return false. Step 7, after if statement, create is a valid variable and assign it to the false value. Step 8, we need to define for loop, two variables index and dictionary, and enumerate data. Step 9, inside the for loop we need to define if statement. If not is instance, dictionary type, print invalid format, expected a dictionary at position index. And a variable is invalid should be equal true. Step 10, if is invalid, return false. Step 11, under if statement we need to print valid format and return true. Step 12, call validate function and pass medical records as a parameter. Step 13, we need to turn medical records into the string. As a result, we should see in the console invalid format, expected a list or tuple. Step 14, turn medical records back to the list of dictionaries. Step 15, add to medical records list 2 more data types that are not dictionaries. Step 16, delete 2 last items. Step 17, create key set variable, assign it to the set constructor, and inside pass a list of keys that's supposed to be in the dictionaries of medical records variable. Step 18, if set dictionary keys not equals key set, print invalid format, dictionary at position index has missed or and invalid keys. Is invalid variable should be equal true. Step 19, comment age from the first dictionary of the medical records list. Step 20, remove the comment. Step 21, define a function find invalid records, pass patient ID, age, gender, diagnosis, medications, last visit ID, define constraints object and return this object. Step 22, print find invalid records and pass as a parameter unpacked medical records index 0. Step 23, in a constraints object, place patient ID with value is instance patient ID string. Step 24, on the top of the document, we need to import the regular expressions model. Step 25, continue verification, patient ID. We need to use keyword and search function from the model, and that's supposed to check that there is a P in a patient ID string. Step 26, add ignore case function from the same model. Step 27, after P, put \d for decimal digits. Step 28, add plus after \d. Step 29, replace search function on a full match. Step 30, add a new item to the constraints object. Age is instance, age integer. Step 31, add an age more or equal 18. Step 32, add gender item is instant gender string, and gender lowercase should be in set male or female. Step 33, diagnosis is instance of string or it is none. Step 34, medications should be instance of list. Step 35, use a list of comprehension syntaxes. Step 36, wrap list of comprehensions in all function. Step 37, add last visit ID item with instance last visit ID string. Step 38, repeat the same logic for regular expressions for the last visit ID item. Step 39, using comprehension syntaxes, return key for key value in constraints items. Step 40, modify return statement if not value. Step 41, delete print call find invalid records. Step 42, create invalid records variable and assign it to find invalid records function with unpacked dictionary. Step 43, add continue after invalid equals true in two places. Step 44, create for loop for key in invalid records, print unexpected format key, dictionary and index key, add position index. Is invalid equal true. We are done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.